Hello everyone, welcome back to another new video. In this video, I'm gonna talk about the top 5 best Christmas throw pillow covers that are available on the market. I made this list based on my personal research and I try to list them based on price, quality, durability and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below, and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Sykting Embroidery Throw Pillowcase, 4 Home Car Decorative. Christmas can never be without the red color, and this is more reason you should acquire this red-colored throw pillowcase. It is 18.45 cm long, 18.45 cm wide and is made from cotton blend linen. The set comprises of 4 similar covers but doesn't include any inserts. The throw pillow can be used in many locations including the home, coffee shop, car, and holiday home. Main pros of the set include high-quality fabric, solid stitching, versatile design, and super comfortable. The key con is that the embroidery pattern is found on one side only. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Elife Square Christmas Snowflake-themed throw pillow cover. If you are searching for the perfect covers for your throw pillows for the Christmas season, then you should choose the Elife covers. It measures 45 by 45 cm 18 by 18 inches and will easily fit on many pillows. It features snowflake designs and soft colors for the perfect theme. The canvas cotton fabric is sturdy to withstand daily use but will keep you warm and cozy. The polyester filling enhances the comfort, whereas the hidden zipper closure keeps the cover secured on the pillow. The cover's positives are great looks, stylish, quality material and strong. The negative is that it isn't super colorful. At number 3, we have the HIPAA Christmas, Happy Halloween Square Pillowcases. Make Christmas more enjoyable and memorable with this Christmas-inspired throw pillowcases. The HIPAA pillowcases are square in shape and measure 18 by 18 inches. The set of 4 bears decorations, images of a reindeer, Christmas tree, Santa Claus and a deer. It includes tight stitching to prevent ripping and discreet zipper for improved functionality. They are perfect for the bed, sofa, couch, chair, car set, and many other places. Consumers love the good size, nice construction, quality material, and vibrant images. A few nonetheless say the covers aren't very fluffy. At number 2, we have the WOMHOPE Canvas Cotton Embroidery Throw Covers. Transform your home into a Christmas paradise with this fashionable covers. Each covers in the set of 4 measures 18 by 18 inches and comes in Christmas-inspired designs and colors. The greige cases are made using premium cotton fabric for sturdiness and have a smooth surface for extra comfort. They can be placed in many areas including the living room, bedroom, car, coffee shop, couch, and sofa. The elegant Christmas embroidery pattern is not only trendy but goes a long way in spreading the Christmas spirit. Advantages of the covers include good stitching, decent size, nice weight, and very cozy. The disadvantage is that they aren't very stretchy. And finally, at number 1, we have the BLUETTEK Merry Christmas Series Throw Pillowcases. Ever since it came into the market, BLUETTEK has released quite a number of covers for throw pillows. This one, in particular, is one of the top and is a good option this Christmas. The square accessory is 18.45 cm long and 18.45 cm wide. It's made from a combination of cotton and linen fabric for extra strength and comfort. The beautifully embroidered cover comes with a hidden zipper for extra convenience and appeal and is also machine safe. Its main merits are cute textured design, smooth and soft, nice fabric, and comfortable. The demerit is that the fabric is a little thick.
Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.